An endosymbiont is an organism which lives inside of another organism. They're generally bacteria that live in other organisms like animals or algae. These endosymbionts, they really help with regulating these ecosystems. So a typical example would be cyanobacteria found in the diatoms. They actually help with fixing the nitrogen cycle. So they're a central part of the lifestyle of these hosts and are important to the bigger picture of regulating these nutrient cycles. I'm currently working with my mentor, Frederick Scholes, on the project called Microbial Endosymbionts Across the Tree of Life. There are a lot of these endosymbionts that are still unknown or hidden, and the main goal of this project is to assign them to known endosymbiont clades. So basically expanding this knowledge or the tree of life. We basically started off by collecting the genomes and then using these different markers to assemble these metagenomes and then build a tree from that. So it's not like a typical tree you would see outside, but it's more like a tree based off of the relatedness of all these different species or symbionts. And based off of where they are on the tree, it could kind of indicate whether they're closely related or not. And we saw something that may look like they're actually a little more split off from what the other species were. So it could indicate like a new endosymbiont. So this was my first actual new discovery. It's really exciting.
So Rina and I developed this workflow together, and we tried to streamline it, and we optimized certain parts of it. But I think that Sarina will definitely be able to provide a basic outline of what's out there, and that's kind of kicking off this large-scale project.
I got interested in this just because I know for my career in graduate school, I'm going to need to use a lot of computational skills, and that's something I would really, really like to develop, to know that I've actually helped to develop something that can be used by others, and it's just something that's accessible. It's actually pretty exciting.